I said, empty your mind.
I'll go ahead and go through the Chum Kiu form second set one more time, just so you can get a good view of it, and then we can go ahead and work on it together. Starting from my front stance, I T-step, elbow lop, kick out, bong sao wu sao. Out and up, 1, out and up 2, and they're not touching here. Out and up 3, drift, strike, I just do the mirror side. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. The Chum Kiu form actually is a very simple form once you get through that first set. There's only 2 parts that can be a little tricky, and this is one of them at the end of the second set, and there's going to be another one at the end of the third. Once you get these 2 little kind of tricky parts down, you really own the whole form. And honestly, I think it's kind of nice that we have something a little fancy in our forms, because our forms are very simple, very basic, and it's kind of nice to have just a little bit of a flair, a little cherry on top in a few places here. So let's go ahead now and work through this form together. I'm going to start on the left side, you're going to start on your right side so I can be your mirror, and we'll go through both sides together, nice and slow. If you get stuck, just follow along the best you can and just keep rinsing and repeating, you'll nail it, okay? And we can also, can't stress this enough, break down parts of each set, rinse and repeat, and then build off of those parts. So here we go. Everybody in a good front stance. Remember, you're going to go to your right with your right elbow and your left foot coming behind. I'm going to go the opposite. Here we go. Excellent. Once again, I can't stress enough, if you're having a hard time with this form, you should. Everybody does. I really don't want anybody to get discouraged. If you were here following me through, I look back and I see students just lost, scratching their head. But it's just how it is. You have to jump in, you have to get started, you have to rinse and repeat. So after you follow me through the form several times, watch the instruction, break it down, I'm confident you're going to get this form down successfully. Let's go one more time, and I'm going to go just as slow, maybe even slower than I did the last time, and let's follow through again. Good front stance, knees in, back straight, always get in a good stance before you begin. Now from here, we're going to go, remember you're going to the right, I'm going to the left to be your mirror. Kick. Bye.